Who is liable in a re-end collision? Have you ever wondered who is responsible when a re-end collision occurs? It's a common question, and understanding liability can save you a lot of trouble. In most cases, the driver of the rear vehicle is presumed to be at fault. This is because they are expected to keep a safe distance from the vehicle in front of them. If that vehicle suddenly stops, the rear driver should be able to react in time to avoid a crash. However, things can get a bit more complicated depending on where you live. For instance, in Texas, liability is not automatically assigned to the rear driver. Instead, Texas uses a comparative negligence system. This means that fault can be shared between both drivers based on their actions before the accident. If the front driver suddenly brakes without warning, they could share some of the blame. Now, let's talk about auto insurance liability coverage. When a re-end collision happens, the at-fault driver's insurance typically pays for damages. This includes medical expenses and vehicle repairs for the other party involved. Liability insurance is crucial here. Bodily injury liability covers medical bills and lost wages for the other driver and their passengers. Property damage liability takes care of costs related to fixing or replacing damaged vehicles or property. In addition to liability coverage, collision coverage is also important. This type of insurance protects your own vehicle, regardless of who caused the accident. If you are in a re-end collision, collision coverage will help cover the costs of repairs or replacement for your vehicle. Understanding these types of insurance is key to managing the financial impact of a re-end collision. It's essential to know what your policy covers and how liability is determined in your state. This knowledge can help you navigate the aftermath of an accident more effectively and ensure you are adequately protected. So, next time you think about auto insurance, remember the role of liability in re-end collisions and how it affects you.